Hi, hello everyone. This is Technical Spectator. Welcome to the new video. How are you guys? I hope you guys are fine. I guess you have seen the thumbnail. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to speed up the performance of your PC, your computer. I've heard many issues was at the beginning. It's lagging, the performance of PC is low, and etc. Many issues. I'm here to keep a full stop to all those problems. Even I will show you the basic settings that every computer needs. This video is gonna be interesting, helpful, so don't skip at any point of this video because you might lose the important information. Is to change the power plan. Now open Windows and browse for power plan. Click open and control scanner will pop up. And now you need to click on power options. And now click on additional plans, and now you need to change it into high performance. The most important step is now it is to remove temporary files. Firstly, you need to open settings and click on system. Now click on storage, click on the temporary files, and by selecting everything and click on remove files. To improve your performance, now the other step is to on the storage sense. For it, you need to click on Windows and next click on settings, open it, and now click on system, click on storage again, and now here the storage management, you have the section of storage sense. You need to click on. So this will automatically free up the space and delete the temporary files and manage the local available cloud content automatically. So this is an important step to boost your computer. Other important step is to disable the notification and tips. So for it, you need to open again the settings. After opening it, you need to browse like notification and actions. Click on it, and now here you can disable the notifications, or else you can even manage like through which app you want notifications or not. So you can adjust it by ear, or you can turn off total notification bar to improve more. So I'm turning it off. This would boost your performance. And the next step to speed up your computer is to turn off the app permissions which you don't use. So first of all, let's open settings. Now click on privacy and security, and here scroll down for the app permissions, and here there are many permissions that you have allowed. So now you can disable the few permissions which you don't use, like locations. If you click on this, you can disable it in case if you're not using any apps or kinda any etc stuff which needs location. So you can turn off it if you don't use them. And next, the camera. If you don't use any camera, you can turn it off. I'm using, so I'm not doing it. And the same microphone, voice assistance, voice activation. If you don't use it, you can turn it off. Like this is case in case of microphone, so I'm not turning it off. And the notifications which I have already turned off, and contacts, you can turn it off if you don't use like any apps like Share It or WhatsApp. I'm using WhatsApp, so I'm not using this. So like this, you can differentiate, and you can turn it off. So this would boost your computer and speed up your PC. And the last and important step is to restart and update. Like you need to know that your PC needs any update, or like your PC needs any restart. So here I don't have any update. So if you don't have any update, you need to definitely restart your PC like once a week or twice a week. Like it depends on the way you use. So this is important to restart your computer as you use it the more. This will help your PC to improve its performance and etc. So that's it for the video, guys, and I hope these steps would definitely speed up and boost your performance. If you It's not important to follow all steps, but you need to at least follow a few steps so that will boost your performance. So thanks for watching.